Huipil. Before horses and their masters claimed the highlands, when a woman would weave stories of nopal and mesquite into sacred huipil, hopes embroidered in que colores, before conquistadores made her bend over, she touched her goddess, donned mourning dress, and no hue waxed too bright nor too dark. Understand, the threads of her years now cut into blistered fingers, calloused hands, she holding fabric to machine, needles beating a tempo. She keeps time. Pieces cloth to make peasant blouses for peces gordos. She breaks colorless bobbin thread between filled teeth, hoping to catch a breeze under locked doors. Maybe the voice of her abuela whispering a call to arms.